So hi guys, welcome back to Kamal Properties. I am Tanish Batra, the CEO and the realty expert from Kamal Properties. So आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूँ एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम अल्ट्रा लग्जरी ब्रांड न्यू बिल्डर फ्लोर which is made on a plan of 360 square yards and is situated in one of the prominent location of Gurgaon, that is DLF4. And DLF4 में भी एक बहुत ही prominent gated lane, that is Green Meadows. So come, let's have a tour guys. So this is the massive living and dining area, beautifully done with all the Italian marble flooring throughout the floor, and this is the highlight wall. It's also a piece of art, beautifully done with Italian marble too. Guys, this is the powder washroom. You can have a look. Here comes the kitchen part guys. So it will get fully loaded by the builder itself once it gets finalized. This particular unit, it's a north facing, it's a park facing, gated lane, having 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 washrooms and whatnot it has. So come, let's move to the first bedroom guys. So this is a very spacious bedroom guys, comes with attached balcony facing the park, and here comes the attached washroom with walk-in wardrobes, and this is the shower area. You can have a look. The elegant foyer area. Now we head towards the second bedroom. So here comes this another masterpiece. Comes with attached washroom. Let's have a look. थर्ड बेडरूम की तरफ. Come guys, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट होना पड़ेगा. And here comes this another master. Also comes with a balcony too. So this particular area is converted into a garden, so you can enjoy your cute evenings, pyari si evenings with your friends and families over a cup of tea or coffee guys. Comes the attached washroom of this room. चलते हैं लास्ट मास्टर बेडरूम की तरफ, and I know you'll surely like this one. Come. See this beautifully done piece of art. This will act as a back wall of this room, and it's a very spacious room. Also comes with the attached balcony too that I showed you previously. And this is the master washroom. Comes with a walk-in closet, shower area and designer mirrors too guys. फिर देख ली सारी लग्जरीज आप लोगों ने. So अगर आप भी चाहते हैं लग्जरी, ये प्यारा सा घर आपका हो, so call me on this given mobile number to schedule a private visit to this place, and I will be the most honored person to host you guys. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Kamal Properties, the RT Experts. So I see you soon guys again. Bye bye.